Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we'll take a look at what flow state is in Leonardo AI and how to use this mode. Flow state is a mode that doesn't require complex prompts to quickly generate a stream of images. According to Leonardo AI itself, flow state allows you to lock in a style. This includes atmosphere, lighting, shot type, and color theme for future generations using the More Like This option. You can also upscale the resolution of an image using the upscaler. On the screen, images are displayed in pixels, dots. The more dots per inch, the more detailed and higher quality the image. For screen use, a huge resolution isn't necessary, but if you want to print it, say on a billboard, there are nuances. For example, an image that's 1000 by 1000 pixels won't work for a 3 by 6 meter billboard. That size would cause heavy pixelation, blurring, and low detail. The good news? You can try it out even in the free version. Let's not waste time. Let's begin. On the main screen, click Flow State. On the page, we already have 3 generated images and the prompts used for them. Next to each one is a Use Prompt button. You can click it to transfer the prompt into the input field. You can then use it as is or add your own details. You can also skip the suggested prompts entirely and just write your own. If you're on the free version, don't rush to generate. Scrolling down triggers the infinite feed, and the more you scroll and view new images, the more tokens you'll lose. Currently, 1 token equals 1 image, so each new image generated deducts 1 token. After generation, you'll see images. If you hover over an image, a menu will appear in the top right corner with options to save to your library. You can find it on the home screen under the Home button. Add to Collection. You can name the collection and add your favorite images to it. To remove an image, just uncheck the box. Or Download. The image will download with the prompt as the file name. In the bottom left corner, you'll see the option to enhance quality. In this video, we won't go deep into the upscaler. Next to it is the More Like This button to generate similar images. Clicking the 3 dots opens more options. Generate video, subscription only, edit in Canvas, use as image guidance, which redirects you to the image generation page with this image added to the prompt, and remove background. All of these are additional tools to modify or transform your image. Clicking on an image will enlarge it in a pop-up. At the bottom, you'll see the same options we just talked about, and if you click Original, the image size will be displayed. There's also a Copy to Clipboard button. If you click this and go to, say, your email, you can paste the image directly into your email body using Ctrl+V. Next to the Generate button is a small magic button. Clicking it lets you generate a random prompt using AI, enhance an existing one, quickly edit or describe with AI, you upload an image, and AI describes what's in it. On the left sidebar, you can manually select style presets for each of the 4 types: vibe, light, shot type, and color theme. They are randomized by default, and you can choose none to disable any style type. Using the previews, you can pick a suitable vibe, lighting, shot type, and color theme. Below that, you can select a size. If the 3 suggested options don't suit you, click Custom and enter your own. Next is the Prompt Enhancer, which is enabled by default, and the Private Generation mode, available to subscribers only. You can also disable Scroll Generation. If disabled, 8 images will be generated at once. Finally, there's a button to reset to default settings. Pressing the Generate button again, refreshing the page, or leaving the page will clear all existing generations in flow state. While on the flow state page, if you generate based on an existing image, that previous image remains saved, and above the image list, you can switch to a different stage. One unique thing about flow state, aside from the image flow, is that you can fine-tune styles more deeply than in the regular image generation mode. As for why you'd even need flow state, here's what I think. It's useful when you want to quickly get many variations or experiment with different styles. You can potentially save tokens by disabling scroll generation and getting 8 images for 8 tokens. Downsides? You can't add an image to the prompt. Only text prompts and image descriptions are supported. All right, let's see how well Flow State handles generating a series of images based on a selected one. We won't be training a model here. We'll just see how Leonardo performs. I'll share my take on the results, and you can judge for yourself. Let's go. Let's generate a cartoon boy using this prompt. A smiling cartoon boy with green eyes, short brown hair, freckles, wearing a green t-shirt, jeans, and white sneakers, doing a jump trick with a skateboard in mid-air. Pixar style, 3D render, cute character design, blurred lines, action pose, artistic lighting, abstract patterns, geometric shapes, clean lines, dynamic motion, creative light art logo. So, what conclusion can we draw? In the free version, it's not really possible to generate several similar-looking boys performing fundamentally different actions, for example, a boy standing, jumping on a skateboard, sitting, etc. However, you can still select results where the boys look somewhat alike and use them for things like presentation materials, websites, or even stickers. There may be some inconsistencies, and you might need to tweak the images a bit in Photoshop, for example. On the screen, you can see boys who, in my opinion, look quite similar to each other. There's no option to select an image and generate new prompts based on it. You can only generate variations from the selected one, meaning the style will stay the same. It's up to you to decide whether this tool will be useful for you. Maybe in some situations, it will. That's it for now. Have a great day, everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.